Hi good people, today I'm going to show you how to start your computer in safe boot or in safe mode. Go to start on the bottom left of your screen and then you type msconfig to bring up the system configuration app. You click on it, it brings up this box here. There are several tabs, so we remain in the general tab. And then you go to boot, you click on boot to bring boot options. So we want to start the computer in safe mode, so you must check that option. Then you select other options under it. Is it safe mode, safe boot in minimal, alternate shell, active directory repair, or network? So you can choose any of these options and then you click apply and then uh, OK. The next time you restart your computer, you're going to boot in safe mode or safe boot. And that's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe.